Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We are here at Disney's Pop Century Resort. This is day one of our Disney staycation. I'm super excited to be here. We're only gonna be here for one night, however. One night before tomorrow we check in to the Wilderness Lodge. I'm very excited for that. My parents are staying here at this resort. I'm staying with them in their room tonight before I go to Wilderness Lodge tomorrow. We're gonna be doing a little bit of a room tour today. So, hope you're excited for that. Leave a like if you are. Have you ever stayed at this hotel before? Leave your thoughts and opinions on this hotel down in the comment section below. We have a standard room in Building 3. I'm really excited to check it out. Let's head on inside. And just so you guys know, if you are looking for Building 3, you're gonna look for a giant bowling pin. Building 1 has a giant bowling pin, so if you see bowling pins, you know you're in the right direction if you are staying in Building 3. Alrighty, we have made it to room 3255. We're gonna go ahead and try to open the door up with our phone. So, opening up with the phone did not work. So anyways, this is my cousin. Say hello, what's up? And she is rocking the Theme Park Express merchandise. Link down in the description below if you would like some.
Go fetch yourself one. It's comfortable and fits the size.
Thank you very much. So anyways, coming right into the room, first thing you see is a mini fridge over here. It's already nice and cold, which is really good. We have a little bit of a Cuisinart coffee machine. Got some cups and your ice bucket, thermostat over here, of course your window with the blinds. It looks like we have a luggage rack over there, recycling, garbage can. We have a table over here with 2 chairs. This actually pulls out into a bed, which we will show you guys a little bit later. We have a nice big bed. I think it's a queen size bed. And we have the phone right over here. We are in room 3255. Got a little compartment under here for storing whatever you want. We got nice big TV with the times on it and everything, and that's going on inside the parks. This is a little flyer for how they are cleaning the rooms now in the day and age of COVID. So I'll give you a minute to look at that. You can pause the video if you want to take a closer look. We have the remote that is wrapped, and it says it has been cleaned. So we're probably going to go ahead and leave that in the wrap just because we can. There's some more storage space down here. Got a safe, another pillow if you so desire, but there's already, what is it, 2, 4, 6, 8 pillows on the bed already, so don't think we're going to need any more. We have the Holy Bible. And close that. Got some more drawers, storage space. Over here, you have outlets, USB sockets. We have an adjoining room, which my parents are actually on the other side of that door, so we will be having this open. Coat hangers, a closet, or not a closet, a bathroom, a sliding door. Very nice. It used to be curtains before. Really clean bathroom. Hello. And yes, I am wearing a Universal shirt at Disney because I can. H2O products, some towels, ironing board, a little bit of a closet space with some hangers and some more storage down there. Facial wipes, more towels. You got your iron, hair dryer over here, some more booty wipes up there. Got a snazzy looking mirror for whatever you're wanting to do. It's got a light on it as well. And we come inside the bathroom. Looking very clean as always. I wouldn't expect anything less from Disney. Hand towels, larger towels, sliding glass door for when you're wanting to shower, and H2O products attached to the wall that say they have been cleaned. Around the base of the shower is a little bit yellow, but not a big deal. Some more towels over here. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the room. I mean, just taking a glance at everything, it looks pretty clean. Now let's do a test. I like to do this when I go and stay in hotel rooms to see exactly how they're cleaning. A little bit of dust, just a hair. Let's check up here. Ooh, that is dusty. So, cleaning could be better. Could be better. They don't exactly wipe the dust up there, but it's alright. It's a value resort. I'm not complaining too much. Now if I see that at the Wilderness Lodge, then we're gonna have some words. And now that we are inside our hotel room, we can finally take off our masks. Feels good to take off the mask, especially with the air conditioning in here. It just feels so good to be back in a Disney hotel room. I haven't been inside a Disney hotel room since this whole thing started, and we have an entire week here at Disney, and I'm super excited to be back. Okay, so we're pulling the chairs out. I think it just folds out on its own. We can just pull, and the table folds in on itself. Look at that. And you got Pluto right above you dreaming about some bones. So all these extra pillows are for this extra queen bed right here. And in case if you guys have never stayed in this type of room before, pulling the bed up is a breeze. You can do it with one hand. Goes right back up where it needs to. Easy peasy. And you can put the chairs right back. And I know this doesn't exactly apply to everybody, but this is something that my parents are choosing to do. If you so desire, bring your own Lysol products, Lysol spray, Lysol wipes, just to go ahead and double check everything in the room, spray down or wipe down the remote, some of the drawers, some of the tables, the door handles, everything like that, the high touch surfaces. You can definitely go ahead, bring your own Lysol products if possible, and make sure to wipe everything down, just to be safe. I'll tell you what, yesterday it came out that the Disney Must Do channel was removed from the lineup, but it wasn't. It was moved, but it wasn't removed. It was just moved to channel 73. So if you're looking for your Disney Must Do's, it's on channel 73 in your hotel room. All right, we're back in the hotel room. Just got back from Epcot. It was a real quick trip. We went via the Skyliner. It was really cool. I'll leave a link to that video down below once that's posted. Probably gonna come out after this one, but anyways, showered, in bed, ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep here tonight, obviously, and let you guys know my experience when I wake up tomorrow morning. See you then. Okay, we are dressed and ready to go for day 2 of our staycation. I am going to be heading out of Pop Century Resort and heading on over to the Wilderness Lodge. I am super excited to head on out over there. Just a quick review of my sleep here. I was sleeping on the pull-out bed on the wall. Super comfortable. Pillows were a little too soft for my taste, but it's alright because I always bring my own really firm pillow from home, and I throw one of the softer pillows on top of it just to, you know, give a little mix there of firmness and softness. That's just me. But anyways, really comfortable, didn't really hear anything. My parents snored, but, you know, can't exactly control that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It was a real quick review of Disney's Pop Century Resort and a quick room tour of a room on the 2nd floor on Building 3, and we did use the adjoining rooms. So my cousin was sleeping in the other room, I was in the same room with my parents. So, yeah. Overall, not a bad resort choice. This is currently the only value resort that is open at Walt Disney World right now, and the way that I view it is if you're on a vacation and you're coming here specifically for the parks and you just need a room to sleep, then stay at a value resort. You don't need to stay at one of the really bougie resorts unless you're planning on spending a lot of time there and using a lot of the facilities, you know, and a lot of the amenities at the hotel. If you're just waking up, going to the park, spending the entire day there, and then coming back and sleeping, you just need a comfortable bed and a shower. That's really it for your vacation. So definitely Pop Century Resort, not a bad choice at all. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, leave a comment down below if you stayed at Pop Century Resort before. Let me know your experience and whether you liked it or whether you disliked it. Let's get a conversation going down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're new around here. Ring that bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video like this in the future. I hope you are all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.